Let's dive into the structure of WH questions in the passive voice, specifically in the present perfect tense. It's a fascinating topic that combines grammar with a bit of logic, and it's essential for effective communication. First, let's break down the present perfect tense. It's formed using has or have followed by the past participle of the verb. For example, the book has been read. Here, has been indicates the passive voice, and read is the past participle. Now, when we want to form a WH question in this structure, we need to start with the appropriate WH word. Common WH words include who, what, when, where, and why. The choice of the WH word depends on the information we're seeking. Let's look at the structure. The WH word comes first, followed by has or have, then the subject, and finally the past participle. For instance, if we want to ask about the book, we might say, what has been read? Here, what is our WH word, has is the auxiliary verb, and been read completes the passive construction. If we want to ask about the person who performed the action, we can use who. For example, who has been invited to the party? In this case, who is the subject of the sentence, and we're looking for the person who received the invitation. Another example could be, where has the project been completed? Here, where is the WH word, and we're inquiring about the location of the completed project. Notice how the structure remains consistent. WH word, auxiliary verb, subject, and past participle. Now, let's discuss a couple of rules to keep in mind. First, ensure that the verb is in the past participle form. This is crucial for maintaining the passive voice. Second, remember that the subject of the passive sentence is often the receiver of the action, not the doer. This is a key difference from active voice questions. To summarize, forming WH questions in the passive voice in the present perfect tense involves using the correct WH word, followed by has or have, the subject, and the past participle. It's a straightforward process once you grasp the structure. So, whether you're crafting questions for an interview, a quiz, or just trying to enhance your conversational skills, mastering this structure will definitely elevate your language game. It's all about clarity and precision, and with practice, you'll find it becomes second nature.